Clay Milliken. I'm a six-time Top Fuel World Champion, and I'm driver of the Parts Plus Denso Top Fuel Dragster. This weekend, we're racing in Pomona, California, the final race of the season of the NHRA, and we're looking forward to a big weekend. We got a lot of people coming out. This is going to be great. In the NHRA drag racing, I think some of the guys truly are athletes. We want to make a low 3.8 second run, 320 plus miles an hour. But the amount of focus that you got to have for that amount of time, that doesn't put you towards the top of the line athlete. I don't know what does. When the pressure's on and you're turning that top stage light on and you're fixing to race the baddest man on the planet in the other lane, I can get my game on at that point. You know, for me, when it's time to get my helmet on and start thinking about what you're fixing to do, the car's comfortable for me. It's like my home. It's my easy chair, so to speak. You know, the only thing I don't have is a remote control in my hand. You know, I mean, I love being in the race car. I don't mind being strapped in there. I usually get in early. I don't like to be rushed when I get in there, and that's my office. That's where I'm at home at. And when you hit that throttle on the car, there's no other experience I've ever found that even comes close to what that's like. I mean, you're going to have 4.5 G's when you step on that throttle. A couple hundred foot into the run, on a really good run, it's 5.5, sometimes near 6 G's. The astronauts going up on the space shuttle don't experience those kind of G-forces. Straight line acceleration, I've not been able to find anything that compares to it. There is nothing like 8,000 horsepower nitro powered dragster. I'm Clay Milliken, and I'm a fan of Denso, and you should be too.